Only you have the ability to be the best version of yourself. So join me on this journey as we explore the power of yoga to unlock your full potential. Let's begin. Begin seated with your legs crossed comfortably. Rest your hands gently on your knees, palms facing up, and take a moment to settle in. Feel the ground beneath you and let your awareness shift inward, creating space to invite fresh, healing energy into your body and mind. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and exhale with a full release. Let go. Place the palms on your knees. Begin to make slow, fluid circles with your body, allowing your torso to move in one direction. Switch directions now, feeling the space you're creating in your spine and hips. Find center. Seated cat-cow, lifting your heart, arching your back, and rounding your spine, gently tucking your chin. Continue flowing with your breath, moving slowly and mindfully. Come to a neutral spine. Let your shoulders soften away from your ears and feel grounded through your seat. Gently lower your right ear towards your right shoulder. Keep your breath smooth as you bring your right hand up to rest lightly on the left side of your head. Encourage a deep stretch through the left side of your neck. Release your right hand down beside you. Sweep your left arm up and over, reaching it slightly forward on a diagonal. Allow a gentle rotation through your chest, turning just enough to feel an opening along the side body. Breathe deeply into your rib cage, feeling it expand with each inhale. Slowly return to center and let your left ear drop towards your left shoulder. Float your left hand up and rest it gently on the right side of your head, just enough to guide the stretch without forcing. Stay present with the sensation down the right side of your neck and shoulder. Release your left hand to the mat and reach your right arm overhead, slightly forward at an angle. Invite a subtle twist through the chest as you turn just enough to awaken the left side body. Breathe deeply into the left ribs, creating spaciousness with every inhale. Return to center. Transition onto all fours, finding tabletop. Slowly guide your hips back towards your heels, extending your arms forward, child's pose. Allow your forehead to rest on the mat. Soften through your spine and feel your back gently release. Let the weight of your body melt downward, inviting a sense of ease through your hips and lower back. From child's pose, begin to gently shift your weight forward, returning to tabletop. Now slowly guide your hips back towards your heels, child's pose. Continue through this motion. Let the movement be fluid and unforced, like a wave rolling through your spine. Move with your breath, allowing each repetition to soften the body a little more. Pause in tabletop. From here, reaching your arms forward, puppy pose, letting your chest sink towards the floor. Flow forward into Sphinx, resting your forearms on the mat, elbows under shoulders. Slowly turn your head from side to side, inviting space and release through the neck. Lower your chest and bring your forehead down to rest on the mat. Let your upper back and neck fully soften as you pause for a breath. Press gently back through your hands, shifting into child's pose once more, allowing the spine to round and decompress. Upper body rises, bringing the legs forward, left leg extended, drawing your right foot in towards your left thigh. Allow the right knee to fall open, placing your left hand on your right knee and your right arm behind you. Find a gentle seated twist. Feel the rotation at the base of your spine. With each inhale, lengthen. With each exhale, gently deepen. Unwind slowly, switching sides. Right leg extended, left foot draws in. Right hand on left knee, twisting to the left. Left fingertips rest behind you. Breathe into your ribs, into the spiral of your spine, and release any remaining tension. Unwind, extending the left leg long, and slowly roll onto your back, drawing both knees into the chest. Gently rock from side to side, massaging the lower spine and sacrum. Grab your block and place it lengthwise beneath your upper back, between the shoulder blades, inviting a supported heart opener. Keep your hips grounded and let your legs extend long. Soles of the feet planted or long. Choose what feels supportive. Let your arms fall open to the sides, palms facing up. As your chest gently lifts, soften into the space you're creating. Breathe slowly and deeply, feeling each inhale expand through the ribs and upper lungs. Gently press your feet, lifting just enough to slide the block out from underneath you. Slowly lower your spine to the earth, one vertebra at a time, extending your legs long, letting your feet fall open naturally. Rest your arms by your sides, palms turned upward. Close your eyes and begin to soften across your brow, beneath your eyes, through your jaw. Allow your tongue to rest heavy in your mouth, your shoulders to melt down into the mat. Invite your breath to return to its own effortless rhythm, steady and quiet. Feel the ground rise up to meet you. Trust in its support. With each exhale, release just a little more. Any lingering effort, any tension held in the body, any thoughts still clinging to the mind, let it all go. This is your time to simply be, to rest in stillness, to receive the quiet medicine of presence. Stay here for as long as you need.